Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wear Nautica Voyage. This popular fragrance is known for its fresh, aquatic profile, making it an excellent choice for everyday use. Its top notes of crisp apple and green leaves provide an invigorating and clean aroma. We'll cover how to best apply it, when to wear it, and how to make its refreshing scent last throughout your day. Nautica Voyage truly shines in casual settings and during the warmer seasons. Think of it for a relaxed day at the office, a weekend brunch, or a stroll in the park. Its light and airy composition makes it perfect for spring and summer, complementing the bright, sunny weather. While it's a fantastic everyday scent, it might be too casual for very formal evening events. For optimal performance, apply Nautica Voyage to your pulse points. These areas, such as your wrists, neck, and behind your ears, generate heat, which helps diffuse the fragrance naturally. 2 to 3 sprays are typically enough to achieve a pleasant, noticeable scent without being overpowering. Remember to avoid rubbing the fragrance into your skin after application, as this can actually diminish its longevity and alter its intended aroma. To enhance and extend the life of Nautica Voyage, consider layering it with unscented body lotions. This creates a smooth base for the fragrance to cling to, helping it last longer. You can also experiment with complementary scents, perhaps a light citrus body wash or a subtle woody deodorant, to create a unique and personalized aroma. And hey, while you're checking out ways to improve your scent game, don't forget to look in the description for a fantastic book that could truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.